Shifting focus to the southern state of Karnataka, the prices of petrol and diesel increased by rupees 3 and rupees 3.02 in Karnataka respectively after the state government hiked the state's tax on the fuels yesterday. The state finance department notification stated that the price hike would in fact come into effect immediately. The government has claimed that the fuel prices of the state have been comparatively lesser than the neighboring states and the price revision would benefit the government of the state. Politics in fact has now erupted over this particular matter, with the BJP slamming the move and demanding a rollback of this policy. The BJP in fact has said that the Congress government is trying to put a burden of its guarantees on the common man's pocket. BJP has also said that Congress is imposing jizya tax or poll tax and is in fact acting as an anti-people party.
जो इंक्रीज किया है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी डिमांड करते हैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को, दे हैव टू रोल बैक इट्स डिसीजन इमीडिएटली. नहीं तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी सोमवार on Monday we are going to organize protest across Karnataka. So urge Honorable Chief Minister to take back his decision on increasing the prices on petrol as well as diesel. एक तरफ पूरा ड्राट है कर्नाटक में. The fact is the state government and the finance minister and the most experienced finance minister and chief minister Siddaramaiah ji, he is finding it difficult to organize resource funds to run the state government.
Karnataka government has increased the diesel and petrol prices. Is it to fulfill the guarantee scheme in Karnataka? Siddaramaiah ji could have done it in a lot of other ways. We have been saying that guarantee scheme is a failed scheme in Karnataka and people of Karnataka have not voted for Congress in Lok Sabha polls because the guarantee scheme has not reached everybody. As well as whether it is Shakti scheme or Griha Jyoti scheme have completely failed the Karnataka's industries, and Karnataka's industries are going to the other states. Even Gruhalakshmi, 2,000 rupees, they promised for 1 crore 17 lakh people, but it's hardly reaching 53 lakh people.
देखिए, कर्नाटक सरकार का ये कदम मुझे लगता है कि आम जनता के लिए और किसानों के लिए महंगाई के बोझ से दबाने के लिए ये उठाया वो कदम, इसकी मैं निंदा करता हूँ. और मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, कांग्रेस के नेता राहुल गांधी जी कुछ दिनों पहले कहते थे रैलियों में और वादा करते थे कि इलेक्शन के बाद जुलाई के महीने से हम सभी महिलाओं के खाते में, गरीबों के खाते में पैसा भेजेंगे 8,500. खटाखट खटाखट खटाखट, तो खटाखट पैसा तो भेज नहीं पाए. इस महंगाई का बोझ कर्नाटक की जनता पर डालने का काम किया है.
हाथ ने बदल दिए हालात. हाथी के दांत और कांग्रेस के सिद्धांत, खाने के अलग दिखाने के अलग. मतलब कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरी दुनिया में और देश में ढिंडोरा पीटती है कि महंगाई बढ़ गई, और अपने राज्यों में जैसे अभी कर्नाटका में उन्होंने एक जिजिया फतवा लगाकर वहां पर पेट्रोल और डीजल का प्राइस बढ़ा दिया, और वो भी इतना बड़ा प्राइस राइज किया है. 3-3 रुपए से बढ़ाया है. 3 रुपए से अधिक डीजल का प्राइस बढ़ा है. हिमाचल में भी इसी प्रकार का जिजिया लगाया, 6 रुपया डीजल का बढ़ा दिया था. उनकी साथी आम आदमी पार्टी ने पंजाब में बिजली के दर बढ़ा दिए थे. ये सारे लोग वादे करके आए थे कि मुफ्त ये देंगे, मुफ्त वो देंगे, उल्टा टैक्स पे टैक्स बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं.
The Siddaramaiah-led Congress government has steeply increased diesel and petrol prices in the state. Soon after the parliament elections are over, this hike has been effected. People were expecting taka-tak 8,500 rupees into their account as promised by Rahul Gandhi. On the contrary, they have been hugely burdened by the increase in the petroleum products. This is an outcome of guarantee schemes pursued by the state government.